you ever felt that you know English words but people still ask you to repeat yourself? Or maybe you understand the English but hesitate to speak because you are unsure about the pronunciation. If it is yes, then this video is going to be helpful for you. Today we are learning about the pronunciation basics and the foundation of the clear and different English communications. Right? So let's start. Basic phonics we will discuss in this video. Silent letters, difficult English sounds, word stress, sentence structure, and practical exercises to improve the English communication skills and English pronunciation basics. If we talk about basic phonics are English words which is English pronunciation is based on the sound, not just on the spellings. This is the difference. When we speak in English language, then we need to understand that English pronunciation is based on the sounds, not just on the spellings. Phonics means connecting letters with the sound. So, for example, A, B, C, right? A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. These are the sounds like A, B, and C. These are the sounds, but we need to understand that but English can be tricky because if we write PHONE, PH sound, it stands for phone, F sound, right? CHAIR, chair. CH sound makes different sound here, and ship, SH. Here also S and H collaboratively makes some another sound. Apart from that, we can talk about some silent letters. English is a language where many times we see that some letters are there which are silent. They produce no sound while we speak, but in written form we need to write that letter even its sound is silent. This creates a biggest challenge for us to speak in English language, right? Silent letters like we can say that these letters are written but not spoken. Simply we can say which are silent but can written, right? Like K is silent, H is silent, L is silent, and many kind of these kind of letters are there in different kind of places. We can see that knife, honest starts with H, knife starts with K, and word no, KNOW. Here K is silent. In knife, K is silent. Honest, H is silent, right? So these are the sounds or letters which are written but not spoken because these are the silent letters. This creates a big challenge for us to speak in English language, but we need to understand these sounds. After understanding, we will be able to speak these sounds very easily. Moreover, we can say that some English sounds are difficult, but because they don't exist in many native languages, right? Many native languages, these sounds are not existed, like TH sound. For example, you can see that place your tongue gently between your teeth, right? So TH sound is not present there. And V and W sound. When we speak V and W sound, you need to practice a lot for V and W sound, right? Many people I have seen that in place of V and W, they try to speak or they can speak about B sound, right? So pronunciation makes a lot of impact while you speak in English language. Apart from this, you need to focus on the pronunciation of R and L sound. Practically, you can see that R and L sound is there, but you need to practice it a lot. Word stress. Next is word stress. Word stress means which part of the word gets more emphasis, right? Means you need to speak these words carefully so that you can make others understand that you are talking about some nouns or some verbs, right? Another examples are there like table, doctor, begin. Stress changes clearly here. If we speak table, doctor, and begin, right? So when you practice a lot or you will listen these words again and again, then you will be able to find the difference between the stress where we need to put stress while speaking these words. Speak naturally. Don't try to be speak like a native speaker of English language, but after uh, doing practice, you will be able to speak like a native speaker. Next is sentence stress means emphasizing on the important word, right? Normal sentences are also there, like I want to improve my English. For practicing, you can listen at least for a 5 minutes daily. Repeat. You can repeat the listening words, and you can record your voice and listen that the recorded voice again and again, and you will feel the difference and you can improve a lot.